Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to this video that we are going to solve the second question of matrices. We have done the first question in the previous video, which was a bit different from this one that we see in here. So this one says that find the matrix of A is given, which is -2, 3, 4, -1, and matrix B is given as -20, 30, 40, and -10. First question says that find inverse of matrix A times B, and the second question says that hence find the inverse of B. So let us start. We are going to solve in very easy way. Be with me up to the end of this video. So it says that A is -2, 3, 4, -1. This one is the matrix of A. Okay, this one is the matrix of A. So let us find the A inverse. How can we find the inverse of A? Okay, the matrix inverse of A. To find the matrix inverse of A, we have to know the determinant of this matrix. The determinant of this matrix. How can we get the determinant of this matrix? This -1 times -2 minus 4 times 3. That's the way that you can find the determinant. So to find that matrix inverse of A, we have to say that -1 times -2 to find the determinant, okay? Minus 4 times 3. This one will give us what? 2 minus 12, which is same as -10, okay? Which will give us -10. This -10 is our determinant, okay? So we take the determinant, we take the inverse of that determinant, we will say -1/10, okay? We reciprocate it. -1/10 to bracket. We change this one, we interchange them, okay? We put 1 up there and 2 down there. Then we change this one to -3 and this one -4. We change the sign. So we change the sign, this one and this one, and we interchange this number with that number, okay? So this one will give us what? -1/10 times -1 will give us 1/10, okay? Then -1/10 times -3 will give us +3. Will give us 3/10, which is positive because negative cancel with that negative, okay? Then this one will give us, to simplify it, will give us 2/5. Very good. The other one will give us what? 1/5. So this one is our A inverse, okay? This one is our A inverse. And the question says that we have to find the inverse of A times B, okay? The inverse of A times B. We take the inverse of A, which is 1/10 and 3/10, then 2/5, 1/5, okay? Into bracket. We multiply by B. We multiply by the value of B, which is -20, 30, and what? 40, -10. Very good. This one will give us our first answer. So to multiply this one, we say that you have to use the row times the column, okay? So our row is 1/10 times the first column, which is -20, okay? So to make them all, we will have -2, okay? Because -1/10 times -20 will be -2 plus, okay? Then -3/10 times what? 40. Okay, so this one will give us positive 12. So first part we got like that. Then the second part will be 1 over 10 times 30, which is 3. Okay, so this is our first part. Then the second part here will be 1 over 10 times 3 times 30, which is 3, plus negative 3. Okay, why negative 3? Because 3 over 10 times negative 10 will give us negative 3. Okay, then the second row times first column will give us what? 2 over 5 times negative 20, which is same as 2 over 5 times negative 20 will give us what? Negative 8. Okay, plus 1 over 5 times 40 will give us positive 8. Okay, then this one is the other part. Then the last part will be what? Second row, last column. Okay, second row, second column. So 2 over 5 times 30 will give us 12. Okay, 2 over 5, because by 5 1, by 5 6, 6 times 2 will give us 12. Okay, then plus into bracket 1 over 5 times 10 will give us negative 2. Okay, so what's our final answer? Negative 2 plus positive 12 will give us positive 10. Positive 3 plus negative 3 will give us 0. Then negative 8 plus negative 8 will give us 0 as well. Then 12 plus negative 2 will give us positive 10. Okay, so what's this answer? This answer is the inverse of A times B is this answer, which is 10 0 0 10. Okay, so we solved our first part. It's very easy. So we have done the first part. Let us go to the second part. It says that hence find the inverse of B. How can you find the inverse of B? This one is the matrix of B. So let us take the matrix of B. The matrix of B is negative 20, 30, 40, and negative 10. Okay, this one is our matrix of B. Our matrix of B. Then let us find the inverse of B. How can you find the inverse of B? The inverse of B, we have to find the determinant first. To find the determinant, we say that we multiply the diagonals. We multiply this diagonal to that diagonal minus this diagonal. Okay? Then what do we say? 10 negative 10 times negative 20 minus 40 times 30. Okay? We have 200 minus 1200. So our determinant is negative 1000. Okay, so this one is our determinant. So how can we find the inverse of B? We have to say 1 over 1000. Okay, because this one is our determinant. Our determinant, we reciprocate it, we use the inverse of that determinant. Okay, so and this one will be what? We interchange, which is negative 10. Then this one will be negative 30 because we change the sign. If it's positive, we change it to be negative. And this one, same. Then negative 20 will come down here. Okay. Then what's our final answer here? Negative 1 over 1000 times 10 will give us 0.01, because this one will go. Then 1 2 it will go behind there 2 times. Okay, so it's 0.001. Okay, then the other one is this one will go, it's like positive 0.03. Why positive? Because negative will go away. Then this one same as 0.04. Then the last one is 0.02. Very good. So this is our final answer. So that means P inverse, it's same as what? 0.01, 0.03, 0.04, and 0.02. Very good. So we have done our questions here. First one was find the inverse of A times B. The second one was find the inverse of B. So we have done. So this one is the second question that we have done. The first question you can watch from the previous video, and also we are going to do more other questions about this topic. See you in the next video.